How to add bio in Kling AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are in Kling AI and want to add a bio to your profile, first of all launch the app open on your device and log in. You can also visit the Kling AI website and sign in. Once you're in, from the home page go to the My Space button at the bottom right corner, and from the My Space section, click on the gear icon at the top right. This will open the profile settings. Tap on the bio option and go ahead and write down a bio for yourself. Simply type it down in the text box. The maximum characters for biography or bio is 200. Go ahead and write whatever you want in the bio tab and click on save at the top right corner to save your change. I've written nothing extra here, just a little hi. This is just to show it to you, but you can go ahead and define yourself. Make sure that you review your bio to make sure you're happy with it, and that's it. That's how you successfully add a bio to your Kling AI profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.